See why 2 suspects are held at gunpoint, starting with this man who is a federally wanted fugitive by the DEA. Hey my.
Hey my man! Hey, hey! Show me your hands. Hey, lay on the ground. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down right now. On the ground. Lay down. Lay down. Get down. Hey, get down. Get on the fucking ground right now.
Why?
Hey, hey. Lay down right now. Get on the fucking ground. Alfredo, get on the ground.
Listen.
Get on the ground. Don't. Hey.
Hey.
Don't fucking do it. Hey. Alfredo, stop! Hey! Hey, he's right out here. Dude, that's him. Look on the ground. Is there another one? Yeah, he's with the girl. Sit up, dude. Sit up. You got anything on you, dude? Huh? Dude, he was with a female. Silver sedan. Yeah, you need to work on your cardio. Walk this way. You alright? Water? I don't have any water, man. What's wrong?
I'm tight.
They're too tight?
Yeah.
The cuffs? Alright, let me see. Step out real quick. I'll face the car. I'm gonna loosen it for you, alright? This one's a little tight. I'll loosen it for you. That better? They're handcuffs, my man. You know, they're not supposed to. They're not made for comfort. Only the ones that fuzz on them are. I'll loosen this one too for you. All right. All right. Have a seat. Go. Sit butt first. It's easier.
You just been drinking today?
No.
I'm drinking.
No drinking. No. Keep taking those deep breaths so you don't get a little woozy.
Did you take anything else today? Coffee. What's that?
Coffee. Just coffee?
Yeah.
Any drugs?
What else do you want, dude?
You didn't take nothing?
No drugs.
No drugs, no alcohol? You just out of shape? Hey, buddy, you in any pain? What's hurting you? He says his hand's hurt, but he's got handcuffs on, so.
How far were you chasing him?
About 2.5 blocks.
All right, man, so we're going to get you out of the seatbelt. We're going to walk you over to the ambulance.
Hey, sounds like our guy's going to go to the hospital. He's just not acting right. I don't know if he swallowed something or what.
Swallowed something or what? In the arresting officer's report, he noted that he had spoken with the Drug Enforcement Administration earlier in the morning that same day. He learned that the DEA was actively attempting to locate the suspect Alfredo, as they had federal charges on him for the delivery of several kg of narcotics. The officer is coincidentally familiar with Alfredo from multiple other investigations. Recklessly discharged a firearm, and an AK-47 rifle was recovered from a storage unit. And another narcotics delivery case where Alfredo had multiple firearms on his person and in his belongings. The female that was mentioned by the officers in the body cam footage was located by other Elgin police officers and was taken into custody. Officers later searched Alfredo's vehicle and found 16 g of a white crystal-like substance that field tested positive for methamphetamine. They also found 2 g of suspected heroin, a syringe with a needle broken off it, and fentanyl test strips. Later, while interviewing Alfredo, he began to talk about the firearms he sold and stated everything is for sale. The officer asked if he planned to sell the meth he had in his possession, to which he stated everything is for sale. My friend Alfredo was charged with intent to deliver methamphetamine between 15 and 100 g, possession of methamphetamine between 15 and 100 g, resisting, obstructing, and his warrant from the AAE. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. Get on the ground. Get
on the ground. Get on the ground. Ma'am, move out of the way. Ma'am, move out of the way.
I cannot.
Move out of the way, ma'am. Move out of the way.
I'm a combat veteran. What are you?
Ma'am, move out of the way. Ma'am, move out of the way. Sir, get on the ground. Sir, get on the ground. Ma'am, step out of the way. Get on the ground. Get on the ground, sir. Ma'am, step out of the way. Last chance. Get on the ground, sir. Get on the ground, sir. Last chance. Y'all want a taser. Get on the ground, sir. Get on the ground. Last chance.
Stop.
What am I doing wrong?
Get on the ground. I'm not playing. Get on the ground.
No, what am I doing wrong?
Get on the ground.
What am I doing wrong?
Get on the ground, sir.
What am I doing wrong?
Get on the ground, sir. I'm not going to ask you one more time. This is the last time I'm going to ask you. Get on the ground. Last chance. Get on the ground, sir.
Combat veteran.
Lewis. Damn it.
One tase, one tase.
Why?
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! I'm not playing with you. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Sir, all I needed was you to get on the ground. We're not doing that.
I was just asking what I did wrong, sir.
When we get calls that you have a knife and you're not listening to us,
I don't have a knife. I have a knife. It's in my pocket.
Lay down on the ground.
You good? I love people and I talk about it. Oh my God, dude. I didn't want this to happen.
Tase him in the front. The first tase is going to go. Tase him again on the side.
Ma'am, are you his wife?
I am.
Does he have any medical conditions or anything?
He has PTSD, and he's been drinking tonight that I tried to get him to stop.
What's his name?
Lewis.
Mr. Lewis.
Yes, sir.
I'm a Key West Police Detective. I'm here helping these guys out.
I'm United States Army. I'm retired and I'm f***ed up. I got a little too tossed on our anniversary.
Mr. Lewis, if I could get you to just chill out a little bit, you and I could chat. Would you be willing to talk to me?
Roger that, sir.
Okay. Take care of you.
Stand you up real quick so that way we can look at where all the probes are.
No worries.
Okay, go ahead. Put your ready.
On three.
1, 2, 3.
Up. All right, very good.
I just want to go back to Iraq and do what I gotta do. Why am I here? I don't belong here.
Help us out. Help us out.
I don't belong here. I just want to go home with my wife and get the out of here, bro. I didn't touch her. I didn't do anything wrong. I really did. And these dudes came up and they were ready to shock me. And I don't give a shit about being shocked. I was an MP in the Army.
Please don't be spitting, brother.
I can't wipe my face.
I'm gonna take care of you, brother.
We come back and nobody gives a f about it. Pulled up. It's kind of tucked away right here. Get on the ground, because it's a knife. I got the knife right here. I didn't see it at first. He was just like, fuck that, f you. I'm like, get on the ground, get on. That's why I had him at gunpoint. I had my taser. I was like, get on the ground, get on the ground. He didn't comply. He started moving. I told his wife to get out of the way. I gave plenty of opportunities. Then he still didn't move. First one went, he approached me, like he took a step, popped the second one, and he backed up and kind of started getting him, started moving that way. I chased him, got him on the ground. Okay. Good job.
Would you be willing to sit down? Yes, so I could, there you go.
No worries.
Easy.
Just tell me where I gotta go.
There you go. You're good.
I'm just trying to go home, but the simple fact is y'all don't respect a veteran. He says he's a veteran.
At the time, I
You
needed
pulled
to
my
get down.
card. You said, give me your veteran card. Why didn't you tell me, give me your veteran card?
We'd handle that after.
You know anything about f***ing Iraq, do you? You're blowing the f*** up.
Drop it.
If you want me to help you, you gotta help me, brother.
I understand.
No, you're
but the simple fact is,
Hey,
I was talking to him, sir. And then they shot me to put me on the ground because I said, oh, hold on. My hands, look at their axons.
We will because it's a requirement. Okay, so we will look at all that. I'm gonna tell you right now. I need to take these probes out. It's gonna hurt.
That doesn't matter to me.
I'm just letting you know. I'm just letting you know.
Lewis,
Okay.
Lewis.
I've been blown up. That doesn't hurt me.
So what was going on?
So we were at Sloppy Joe's since about 5. He likes to keep drinking when I don't want him drinking because I know his PTSD kicks in.
Yeah.
And then of course, he thinks people are staring at him, so he starts cussing and wanting to fight them, trying to calm him down, which doesn't work. And then of course, he wants to fight people, and then of course he pulls his knife out, and I'm like, you need to put it away.
Was it just he just pulled it out as he was
He just pulled it out,
walking?
yeah, he wasn't at anybody with
He
it.
was just kind of agitated through the drinking and stuff, and just like you said, the
Yes,
PTSD.
and he wants to cuss me out, of course, and I'm like, I need you to get to the car.
And then obviously the officer came up to try and de-escalate the situation.
Yes, and I was trying to tell him he has PTSD, I need to get him, but of course.
I've been in a wheelchair for a year and a half, and I'm finally able to walk.
Okay, now we need him to stand up because the other ones.
Yes, sir. I got you. I'm sorry.
Do you want me to help you?
I'm trying, sir.
Okay,
But the thing is, I feel like I'm not getting respected. And everybody, they come up to me with their guns drawn. I'm a veteran. I've gone to Iraq. It's been battled, bro. My wife is embarrassed. I'm embarrassed because I'm trying to get back. My car is literally.
Brother, I'm gonna help you get through this.
I thank you, sir. I'm sorry. I'm so embarrassed right now.
Okay, but if you don't help me, I'm gonna have to leave.
I will do whatever I can. Into Iraq.
Slow. There you go. Hey, sit down. Look at me.
He's sitting here.
Listen, I'm here helping you. Stop. I'm here to help you, and you put me in a bad spot.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean. I really.